Hello students, in this session we will discuss about insertion operation in double linked list. Insertion of a node into the list. In double linked list, the way of inserting a node falls into three cases such as front insertion, rear insertion and any position insertion. Case 1, front insertion. In this case, a new node is inserted at front position of the double linked list. Algorithm of insertion of X. This procedure inserts a new element X at the front position of the list. Now observe this procedure. Step 1 is this one basic structure. Allocate memory for a new node. Data of new equivalent to X. L-link of new equivalent to null. R-link of new equivalent to null. Now step 2. Now first we check whether the list consists any nodes or not. If start equivalent to null, then that means elements are not available. Hence, the first inserting node becomes start and end nodes of the list, like start equivalent to and equivalent to new. Else, if elements are available, now we establish links in between new node and start node of the list. For this, R-link of new is filled with start, L-link of start is filled with new, start equivalent to new, and if. Step 3, return. Now example, assume the initial status of the list as this one. It consists 3 nodes. When we apply F insertion of 26, now the list becomes 26, 59, 24 and 64. It consists 4 nodes. Case 2, rear insertion. In this case, a new node is inserted at rear position of the double linked list. Algorithm or insertion of X. This procedure inserts a new element X at rear position of the list. Step 1, allocate memory for a new node. Data of new equivalent to X, L-link of new equivalent to null, R-link of new equivalent to null. Step 2, if end equivalent to null, then that means elements are not available. Start equivalent to and equivalent to new. Else, if elements are available, now we establish links in between end node and new node, like R-link of end equivalent to new, L-link of new equivalent to end equivalent to new, and if. Step 3, return. Example, now assume the initial status of the list. Now it consists 3 nodes, 59, 24 and 64. Now we are applying R insertion operation. Now the list becomes 59, 24, 64 and 26. Case 3, any position insertion. In this case, a new node is inserted at a specified position of the double linked list. Algorithm any insertion of X, POS. This procedure inserts a new element X at the specified position POS of the list. Step 1. Allocate memory for a new node. Data of new equivalent to X. Link of new equivalent to null. Link of new equivalent to null. Step 2. To move the particular position, now we apply some additional operations like k equivalent to 1, and we set one temporary variable PTR that points to start node. Now step 3 is a repetition process. While k less than POS, if it is true, now we set another temporary variable temp that points to PTR. Now PTR shifted to PTR equivalent to Rlink of PTR. Now k is incremented by 1 as k equivalent to k plus 1 and repeat. Now step 4. Now we establish links as Rlink of temp equivalent to new, Link of new equivalent to temp, Rlink of new equivalent to PTR, Link of PTR equivalent to new. Step 5. Return. Example. Now assume initial status of the list as 59, 24, 64. Now we are applying any insertion of 26, 3. That means we are inserting a new node as third node of the list with the information part 26. So when we apply this operation, now the list becomes 59, 24, 26 and 64. Thank you one and all.